What's up, everybody? Give me a few seconds. I'm getting everything set up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the podcast, man. We are here chilling, watching some live price action of everybody's favorite cryptocurrency, Doge. But man, guys, I really wish I was here reporting 78, 80 cent Doge, but that's really not the case right now, man. We are really getting beat up, and the market's going to continue to bleed, man, until we can finally see a break. Lately, we've been seeing higher highs, lower highs, and lower lows. We need to flip that trend, and it's just not happening right now, guys. I think it's going to continue to bleed out, and just buckle up and enjoy the ride, man. Nesto, mic check. Can y'all hear me? I don't want to come out spitting again, man. Waiting for a mic check confirmation. Can y'all hear me? All right, cool. Just making sure. We don't need Ernesto making another TikTok video of me. That's the last thing I want. Let me drop some lines real quick. So guys, we've been setting lower lows and lower highs. We need to break that trend and finally get a break, get some volume pumping in. But the charts even suck, man. I mean, it's all depending on Bitcoin right now, and we could possibly see a bigger dip on Bitcoin. We could very well possibly see it. We need to see that break, get Bitcoin moving back in the right direction, because right now it's affecting every crypto in the market across all boards, man, and just really dragging everything down. What's up, Daniel, man? Good to see you, brother. Yeah, I see Whiskey's at work. I hear you, brother. That's all good, man. I like the TikTok videos, man. They got some funny stuff on there, man. I downloaded it just to watch that video you made, and dude, they got some hilarious stuff on there, man. Some freaking funny stuff, man. So Bitcoin currently sitting at 38,189. Doge 34. I mean, dude, y'all know, man. We just been getting beat up and waiting for a trend reversal. Ethereum still. I bought some Ethereum this morning, so I know y'all caught that in the Discord, but I'm hoping it treats me well, man. Ethereum has a lot of moves coming in July, and I think it's gonna be nice, man. Yeah, appreciate it, Snowman. Try to tweet something out, get some people in here. It's a Wednesday night, man. But guys, nonetheless, I mean, dude, look, we got beat the hell up. It's clear as day. But this presents the best buying opportunity for the retail investor that you're going to see in a minute, man. Because come July, we're going to have a nice little run. And you can be glad you've been holding these bags, man. Because I woke up this morning, saw Bitcoin 29,000, dude. I immediately started buying stuff up. Because I know in the back of my mind, crypto's coming back. China pulled this in 2014. They pulled it in 2017. And crypto always comes back, man. We just need to break this trend of the lower highs and lower lows and finally get moving back in the right direction to get some movement going, man. Because whether it be by news or what, we're seeing a Bitcoin correction here, and it's pulling the entire market down with it. So I really feel bad for people that just got in and they're sold their positions, because that's actually the worst thing you can do right now. I mean, if you can, hold and buy more, because when crypto comes back, you're going to be looking at even nicer gains than what you were sitting at 2 weeks ago. I mean, no one could have predicted this Bitcoin war that's going on and everything else that's been happening. I mean, it's just unpredictable. But nonetheless, if you continue to hold, average down, you'll be sitting freaking nice when this thing pops back, man. And I stand by that, and I'll continue to stand by that. Max Market has the people's champ. Paul Wall. I see you, bro. Daniel says, this is the most wonderful time of year to buy everything on sale. Don't be scared. Dude, everything's on freaking sale, man. Everything. And look at VeChain, y'all. VeChain is just... Ooh, did it come back up? Last time I checked, it was sitting at 10 cents. I still didn't download what I wanted to, man. Move my head. Still at 10 cents. This is an awesome play right here, guys. This is definitely 100% play. I mean, just everything's on sale, man. If you can load up, crypto will come back. I mean, we've been seeing this beat down, but we called it last night on Discord. We said between 33 and 38. We were off. I was more leaning towards 38, dude. I would have never imagined that we would have saw 29. And is it done? I can't tell you that. But what I can tell you is we're not setting those higher highs and higher lows. So until we see that trend reversal, we'll probably tend to bleed out quite a little bit more. And I'm really hoping we don't see this dip in the low 20s to the 19 again tonight. But who knows, man? I mean, it's anybody's ball game right now. And they're feeding off of human emotion. All these whales, they're feeding, trying to get people to sell. They're going to buy in low and ride it all the way back up, man. It's just, it sucks right now. And people getting into crypto that just got into Doge, you know, they saw the great gains. They saw the high highs that you can get. But now you're learning the game right here. You don't really learn until you hit the red and you're in the dirt right there. And you know, it's a rough game out there, guys. It really is. But if you can stick through this, average down, when we come back, you'll be sitting that much a better trader and that much more profits in your portfolio. Yeah, man. Dude, Bitcoin over the last, year, 2 years? Let's pull up the 4 hour. That's not going to do me justice. I mean, look at this. I mean, it had minor pullbacks along the way, but it was due for a correction, man. Nothing just keeps running and running and running until it has to come down, man. It just has to. And you're seeing that correction now. And it sucks that you're seeing it when Doge is popping, because a lot of people get caught up in this and a lot of people are new traders. But the main thing to do when stuff like this happens is hold your position. You get emotional, you make bad choices. Crypto is going to come back. I don't care if China says investment, whatever, their investors can't do whatever with Bitcoin, dude. That's just a bunch of FUD. I wouldn't be half surprised if half the Chinese government was buying Bitcoin at 32,000 this morning, you know, just to ride it back up, man. Create FUD, buy in, and scare people out of their money. It's happened in the stock market for years, and it's happening in crypto, man. It really, really is. And I don't get scared at times like this. What I do is I average down and I wait it out, man, because it will come back. I bought Ethereum at 1940 this morning and I'm holding that thing. Dude, that is a great play. I got the best bang for my buck, I believe, getting that this morning. And I'm going to hold that thing till the end of the year, because probably even longer than that. Ethereum in July, the stuff they're doing with their gas fees, man, it's going to make it that much cheaper to transfer in and out of Ethereum. And not only that, but I mean, guys, the stuff Ethereum's doing, they're talking about burning coins, and it's going to be deflationary, because they're talking the amount of coins that they could burn per year would be more than what Ethereum actually makes every year. So that's only going to further drive the price up. It's basic supply and demand. And I'm still super bullish on Ethereum, Doge, all the cryptos, man. We're just seeing a beatdown right now. And it really sucks, y'all. It really does. I wish I was reporting Dogecoin at $1, but it might take a little bit to get there, man. It really might. That's right, D. You don't lose till you hit that sell button, man. And I'm telling you guys, if you continue to hold this thing during the summer, this thing is going to come back. All cryptos are coming back. It's just having a correction right now. So I will continue to buy wherever I can, not put myself in a bind, but continue to average down and do my thing, man. I'm not worried in the least bit. I am not freaking worried, guys. Let me throw my little thing right here. Actually, it's not charging. Hook that up. Yeah, Ernesto, dude, I hear you, dude. At this rate, I'll be happy to see the 40s again. Remember when that thing was at 74 cents and everybody's like, man, if it could just dip back a little bit more? Well, you got it. You got the freaking dip right here. Sitting at 34 cents, man. I mean, if you can't average down on this and hold that, by the time this thing comes back, probably this summer, it could be a little while, guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It could take a little time to get back. Nobody was expecting Tesla to pull that Bitcoin skid in China to come out and FUD after FUD after FUD. But that's how they do it, man. They shake people out of their money. And a lot of new investors get scared as soon as they see a slight hint of red. If you're an experienced investor, you done lived through the red and you know what it's like, and it just makes you a better trader, man. It honestly does. And if you can sit through that red and average down, you're sitting that much greener by the time this thing comes back. And guys, that is what I'm going to be doing and continue to do, because I believe in the cause, man. I believe in Doge going to $1. I believe Elon Musk didn't put that tweet out, "Don't panic." I believe he knew this was coming. I mean, there's no way he didn't know that Tesla was going to stop accepting Bitcoin. And he also said he's still holding. He's diamond handing Bitcoin. So, I mean, you're going to see this correction right now. It is what it is, man. If you're willing to hold through it, I think it'll treat you extremely well on the back end. Was anyone planning on selling right at $1 anyways? Why sell now? No, I wasn't planning. I was going to take some profits at $1. I'm not going to lie to y'all. But in the long scheme of things, I'm still holding for the long term. Like, I was expecting a bit of pullback if we were going to get that rip after we were sitting. Let me pull up the 4-hour chart. When we hit 74 cents, we had that massive pullback, SNL. You know, I thought we were setting up for another rip right here to go back to touch that and hopefully break through that, hit to 85, 90 cents. And I was going to look for a pullback there and to take some profits. But I didn't. And I didn't take profits at 74.42, so I'm damn sure ain't going to take profits at 34.20. Not gonna happen, man. Because Bitcoin, now look, if just Doge was sitting down at 34.20 and you still had Bitcoin at 60,000, Ethereum at 4,000, then I would be concerned. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But just because Bitcoin's going through some shit doesn't mean the rest of the market is dead, man. It's not dead by any means. It is not freaking dead by any means. Yeah, RL, I totally agree. That is a deep man. Like, his tweets run deep. And me and Ernesto and a couple guys were talking about that 69 days after 420 tweet. And there might be more meaning to that than what you think. And we still have the Coinbase listing coming up. We're still waiting on Tesla to accept Doge. We have news coming. It's just, what is Bitcoin going to do? What is the Bitcoin going to do? Sitting at 37. I mean, you could possibly see another big dip tonight. I'm not going to lie to y'all. Y'all could wake up and it could dip hard again. But guys, I mean, you have a lot of buying pressure on Bitcoin at 30,000. I mean, this thing got to 29. I mean, not long. You're talking minutes. And then within an hour, a couple hours, it shot back up to 37, 38. $8,000 swing in an hour or two. Like that's freaking insane, man. Daniel, you still holding that Ethereum Classic, man? Dude, I think it's gonna continue to bleed with everything else, man. I can't pull it up on here. I can pull it up right here. I still got to download another crypto thing on my computer. That way I can look at the better charts. Not wallets. What am I doing? Why did that pop up? $61, dude. I mean, it's getting beat down. If you're willing to hold this thing, it might come back. But this had the massive run up with Ethereum. So to say it's dead, I don't want to say that. I don't think so. But it's just stuck in the major trend. Every crypto's following the same trend right now because of Bitcoin. Do I think it could come back? Yes, I think it could have a nice run back. But honestly, guys, I'm prepared for end of June to start of July to be where I was possibly 2 weeks ago for that summer run, man. I mean, that's I'm not setting super high expectations right now because, I mean, we're going through a correction right here. And a major level I think Bitcoin would have to get up above would be 42 to start stabilizing the rest of the market. And it's not just crypto, man. Stocks were red today. It's like, look at all my watch list. Everything was freaking red, man. Everything, even AMC. Like, the whole market is just taking hits right now. And Bitcoin is struggling to stay above 38 right now. So, what's good, kid? Daniel, man, with the super chat. Thanks, Matt, for everything, man. We all talk makes me a better DC family. You all know who you are. Yeah, dude, thank you, man. I'm glad to have you part of the community, man. I really do. And I wish we were reporting better numbers, man. But right now it is what it is. And guys are going to learn crypto, the hard knocks of crypto, man. If you're day trading right now, it's very hard to do, guys. Like, super hard to do. And you can end up losing more money than what you're trying to make doing it right now. If you can do anything at all, just average down, add to your position, and just hold crypto. You'll be better in the long run, man. I even learned that. I was swing trading some crypto. I got in at Doge at 56 cents. Y'all all know that. The night, it was one night Robinhood. Yeah, no, it was SNL. I got in SNL 56 cents when Robinhood crashed. You know, it is what it is, man. I fell into the hype, dude. And I made a promise to myself, hey, I'm never going to buy while I'm streaming. I don't have a clear thought process. And I broke my rule, and that's, but I still had hype. I had conviction that Doge is going to $1, and I'm damn sure ain't going to sell for 33 cents, y'all. It ain't going to happen, man. It will not freaking happen. China reiterates the ban every 2 years. You're right, dude. It happened in 2014. It happened in 2017. And the same thing happened. It crashed both times. It always pops back, dude. It always freaking pops back. It just sucks at the timing because a lot of new investors were getting into crypto. And Doge ran up. And they were like, man, we're making money. This is great. And then it crashes and they lose half their profits and they sell. Well, that's the same people that, sell at 33 cents. And they're going to buy back in at 70 cents later and complain when they lose money again. You have to hold. I mean, crypto is a waiting game. You're playing with whales a lot of cryptos are not decentralized, meaning you have wallets out there that hold the majority of the coins that exist out there. And if you're playing against the grain right there as a retail investor, you can get burnt trying to swing trade, day trade a lot of these tokens right now, man. Daniel Lopez, dude, I'm glad you're still holding, man, because, dude, when this thing rocks in the summertime, you're going to be glad you're holding these bags, man. You're going to be freaking glad, man. How did Tesla do today? I didn't keep an eye on it. 563, yeah. Let's see. 558 after hours. That doesn't look bad. It really doesn't. I mean, you kind of broke that ascending level of support right here. So I'll be watching it tomorrow. That doesn't look bad at all. I've been saying that for a while. Anything under 600 for Tesla is a pretty good deal. I mean, look at Riot Blockchain just getting beat up. Mara, where's Mara? I know I got, look, 2171. I mean, these plays, if y'all are in the stocks, are going to come back really nice when Bitcoin comes back. I mean, really freaking nice. But nonetheless, still getting beat up. They're trying to come back. We just need a break, a clear break above this 200 moving day average. See, we got a little pop right here, got pushed back down. We touched it here, got pushed back down. We're going to need that hard pop over here, and we're not going to get it until Bitcoin gets his act together. That's what you can look for to see this trend reversal finally be over with and hopefully start moving everything back in the right direction, because that is what it's going to take, man. Bitcoin currently riding that 200-day moving average. A hard pop right here would be super nice and would signal to me that we probably hit the floor and we're going to start moving in the right direction. Kid says, I'll hold Doge to 0 if I have to, man. I'm with you too, man. Yeah, Tesla didn't do bad today. I actually like that chart. It seems to be starting a new trend, and looks to be an upwards one. I don't know if you've seen, but Michael Burry was exposed as a shorter on Tesla, which is, I don't know why he came out with it, but I don't know why any short would come out with their short position. You know, that's something I wouldn't advertise at all. Nah, Pantry, man, I wouldn't worry about Doge, dude. If it was just Doge taking a huge dip, then I would be concerned. But dude, Bitcoin's just dragging the whole market down, man. And now is the worst time to make an emotional decision to sell your Doge, to sell any crypto. Best thing you can do is hold, wait it out, and average down, man. Buy whenever you can. Never put yourself in a bad position. Always put food on the table first. But if you can add to your position right here, you will be sitting that much better, guys. That much freaking better. How does AMC look? Not too bad, man. We had a little bit of a red day. Lost, I think, 10%. I think she's getting heavily shorted down, dude. We hit that high of 1580 in the aftermarket, and a lot of people thought, oh, it's happening. The squeeze is happening. You had shorts cover here. No doubt in my mind in the after hours, you had some shorts covered. The smart shorts, they're getting out because they know what's happening, man. They know what's freaking happening, but you got laddered attack all the way down, step down, step down, step down. This was coordinated attacks against AMC, and I'm not worried in the least bit. I'm not gonna lie to you. If this trend continues, you'll see a red day tomorrow. I mean, we had 8 green days in a row, and it's almost like they let it run up, some shorts covered, and maybe some other shorts doubled down and shorted this thing back to where it's at. Where did we close at? 1264, 1250 in after hours. But nonetheless, you have a little bull flag forming right here and kind of have a little downward trend off that. So yeah, man, you could see a little run up in the pre-market, but she might get beat down a little bit tomorrow, man. I don't think we'll see under 1180. I think that's a good level of support, and that's worst case scenario right now, I'm saying. But Best case scenario, we'll jump straight out the gate, pop over the 200 moving day average, and stay above the VWAP for the day, and just continue another upward trend, man. Put some pressure on the shorts. That's what we're going to need to do right now to get this thing actually moving. But the whole market as a whole was red today. So I think AMC is still looking fine. It's just shorts take advantage of red days like that, man. They play the FUD, brother. Still waiting on Coinbase to support Doge. AH, man. Yeah, 4 to 6 weeks. And I think that was posted almost a week ago. So you could realistically be looking sometime into June, early July. They'll have it on there. And coins do tend to run up to the Coinbase listing and tend to take a dip right after that. So keep that in mind if that's how you're playing, because crypto is kind of like buy the hype, sell the news. I mean, it really is, dude. But if you're a long-term holder and you just hold through the news and just keep buying, dude, you'll be fine that way too, man. Y'all are learning the hard knocks of the crypto right here. And once you learn this and see how it works, dude, you're going to be that much better of a trader, and you'll be better to navigate through these hard times you're seeing right now, because no one could have predicted this, man. Like I said, I thought Doge was going to go back to touch 85.90 cents after that high of 74, but we didn't. And that's what I'm saying. No one predicted this correction that's going on right now, but it almost needed to happen. Nothing can continue to run and run and run and just never come down. I mean, what goes up must come down, and you're seeing the best buying opportunity in crypto you're going to see for a minute, guys. And I truly do believe that. You can buy VeChain, Ethereum. I mean, you name it. You're going to get hundreds of, 100% off of Ethereum come shortly. I mean, I truly believe that, man. I bought it this morning, and I will continue to hold it. I'm still very bullish. We're just going through a correction right now that needed to happen, and it's just the timing that sucks, because a lot of new people were into crypto and they're going to get burned and they're never going to come back, and it really sucks, man. So I'm glad I found this little community that we have. Ernesto, all you guys that are new to trading, y'all are going to get broken in the right way, and dude, that's going to be worth its weight in gold down the way, man. Matic on sale today. What did it get down to, man? Let's check it out. Nope. I can't spell tonight, guys. $156, man. 24 hours, 29%, dude. But look, I mean, dude, I'm not concerned. It's the same trend. Look when Bitcoin took that dip this morning. I mean, it's the same freaking trend, bro. And I'm not concerned one bit. Like, if it was one crypto doing it, yes, I'd be concerned, but it's not. So China just woke up not that long ago. So we'll have to see what China's got in store for us, while we're sleeping. Whiskey just bought some more VeChain, dude. VeChain is on sale, dude. It is on freaking sale, man. And I'm happy I waited. I know if y'all been following me, I talked about getting VeChain. I am happy I waited, man. Yeah, dude, Shiba got annihilated today, man. I think it was down 50%. It got beat up, bro. Currently down 33%. I mean, dude, I never played Shiba. I didn't play into that hype, man. I'd rather put my money in Doge, to tell y'all guys the truth. It just wasn't nothing for me. All these little altcoins that are coming out, it's just playing into the hype, man. I'd rather buy a solid name like Ethereum, ADA, dude. Even ADA, where's she at? Where's my baby at? Because I have to check on her. Make sure she's holding tight, man. ADA price. 152, baby. Still up 50%. Good shit, Snowman. Go through a market crash and I'm still up 50%, dude. Good call on that, man. I'm really happy I bought ADA. And I'm probably going to be looking to get me some more. I'm not lying to you guys. Whiskey says I'm in Doge, 88, AMC, and V Chain, dude. You have a bunch of nice plays right there, dude. Bunch of freaking nice plays. Yes, bro. I really appreciate all the help and advice. More than it's all good, Ernesto. You already know the deal, man. Will AMC ever squeeze on this earth? Pantry, she will, man. It's patience is the game right now, dude. It's the game. I mean, no one can guarantee you anything, but dude, the numbers line up, and dude, y'all know how I feel about AMC. I think she's going to the moon. Just early June, dude, we're gonna get some news. I mean, they're doing share counts. The information is gonna come out, and I think she's gonna start moving soon, man. Why is the pattern the same for Ethereum, Doge? It all has to do with Bitcoin, Pantry. Yeah, I'm sad for people who played in the Shiba too. They got in at the worst time. I mean, they really did, and I really hope they broke even and took their money out of that, because, I mean, that's just, they had people dump a lot of money into that. They really did, and that is not a play I'm looking to get into, and I probably will never touch it, to be honest with y'all. I stick to name brands, ADA, Ethereum, all the big names, man, because right now they are on sale like you wouldn't believe, man. Imagine walking into like a top designer clothing store like Gucci or somewhere, and they have all the name brand clothes, but you have Goodwill prices, dude. That's how I feel the market is right now. And when I saw Bitcoin at 29,000, I immediately pulled out my phone and started buying stuff, because I knew it was coming back. I knew it was going to bounce. I didn't care if we double bottom and went back to test it. I'm just currently waiting for that break so we can start making higher highs and higher lows. And that way I'll kind of know we're getting out of this downward trend, man. Because that is what's killing us right now. NFT art, man. I am not sure, dude. I didn't even check it. I'm sure it's down pretty good, man. NFT art token price. Check it right now. Oof. Almost got erased from the planet, man. Holy crap. I only got 30 bucks in it. I ain't worried about it. I'm not freaking worried one bit, man. NGLs in and out of Shiba for a quick $100. If you made money on Shiba, congrats. Congrats. I'm really happy for you. I got Shiba at $7. Hope you made money, man. Whiskey, if you got some Ethereum, dude, I think Ethereum's going to outpace Bitcoin this year. And I'm serious, man. They got them corrections coming in July, dude. They're going to start burning coins. And the projection is they're going to burn more coins than they're creating every year. So, dude, supply and demand, brother. That's going to drive Ethereum up, dude. And you could realistically see 10,000 Ethereum at the end of the year. I mean, it's not impossible to say that, man. I think we're going to have a nice run up this summer. Pantry, check Elon's recent tweet. Is he referring to Dogecoin? Did he tweet out, man? Let's check it out, man. Oh, you're referring to Tesla's Diamond Hands? The one 13 hours ago? Let's see if he has a... That's a rose token. I'm not seeing it, Pantry. Not seeing it, man. If you're referring to this, I think he's referring to Bitcoin, man. Probably everything, but Tesla owns 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and he's saying He didn't sell, so I'm expecting him to be talking about Bitcoin, trying to stabilize the market, man. Honestly, Snowman, ADA is going to outplay Ethereum, promise. And dude, those are neck and neck, man. They're built on the same type, so I don't doubt it, brother. I really don't, dude. And thanks to you, man, I'm long term on ADA, dude, and I will probably load up some more on it. Not probably, I definitely will. I didn't see that, Ernesto. What's up, Hemi? How you doing, brother? Read Master of Coin tweet he did. Credit to our Master of Coin. I see how people are blaming this dude for the entire market crash. This dude has done nothing but help retail investors. People are just dogging this man. I'm not seeing any replies, man. It'd be at the top. Matt Wallace says Dogecoin is the master of all coins. Credit to the master of coins. You gotta think deep, man. That dude gets deep. I'm telling what he means. Possible, man. Very possible he's talking about Doge. He made a tweet or reply underneath the Tesla diamond hands. Yeah, that's connected to that. I got you. His master of coin is his CEO, I believe. CFO. That's interesting. Master of coin. Tesla has diamond hands. Credit of master. Yeah. Yeah. It could be a CFO telling him, hey, man, we're not selling any Bitcoin right now. I mean, ultimately, he would probably make that choice, but, you know, he's giving credit. But look, guys, we're not dipping down right here. It's a good sign, man. If we can get a break right here, a nice push, all depending on Bitcoin, we could break out of this trend. Let me see. Draw some lines real quick. Everything looking the same. How long do you think Doge will take to recover, dude? I mean, it could take some time, man. Look, I'm thinking end of June, if we don't get a big push come shortly. Maybe sometime in June, man. I think it's going to take us a little while to get back. But if Bitcoin has a major run up, then we'll be back in no time, man. But I'm fully expecting sometime in June, start working our way back, getting back to normal levels where we were a couple weeks ago, you know. The chart looks kind of like a Tesla symbol. Let's check it out, man. Oh, nice. I didn't realize that, man. That's cool, brother. It does, man. Definitely does. It's listed in his SEC filing. It's real. Elon referred to his position as the... I'll check that out, RL. I'll look into it. I didn't see it, but that's pretty cool. It's just crazy how everything is moving the same, man. Be nice if we get that little push right here, man. I'm telling y'all. Cool deal. Appreciate it. Come on, I'm going to the beach. Second week of June. I want to be sitting on the beach drinking a brew, watching my profits grow, man. I hope so, man. I really do. I hope for you, Ernesto. I really freaking do, brother. Waiting to see if we get this little break above this line right here, man. Me and my gut, y'all. Look, I think 29 was the bottom. They had reports, people saying 24 to 28,000. I'm not saying it's impossible, dude. We're definitely in the ballpark right now, but I think this. I don't know why. My gut just tells me this was the bottom, and I could be 100% wrong. I'm just going off a gut feeling right now, and a lot of cryptos played off of human emotion. So let me check my text real quick. Give me 1 second. But guys, it all boils down to a Warren Buffett quote. And look, we're getting this little break right here, I think. If it holds that 5-minute candle, we get a clear break. That indicates we might be seeing a trend reversal right here, which is great news. But, everybody knows Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. So what that means is the best time to freaking buy is when it's in the dirt, man. That's the best opportunity to make the most bang for your buck. And this is what you're seeing right here. I don't know why that water ain't cutting it tonight, man. It is not doing it. It's be big for us, guys. If we can hold this, we're getting some volume pumping into this thing. That is exactly what we want to see right there. So Ernesto, when you're drawing your lines, dude, you want to look for 3 touch points, man. And you can see we got, well, this one a little off, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points right there. Here we didn't have it. And I was kind of waiting to see if she was going to pull back right here and touch it. That would signify 3 touch points. And then you would be at a crossroads right here, man. Whether you start another downward trend, if you would break that line here, or if you start an upward trend, you would start breaking out right here. And even before we started to go down, we're getting that break over this line where we have these touch points, which could signal a upward movement heading into it, man. Because look, we got the 14-day moving, hooking to the 200, kind of starting to level out. But dude, we're getting a push right now, and that's very good news, man. Very good news. So if you're trading stocks and you're looking at them, you always want to kind of see this 14-day moving average hook towards that 200 if you're trading underneath. And anytime you're trading underneath that 200, you're in bearish territory right there, my friend. So you can make plays like that. If you see something on the RSI that's oversold around 30, and you see that that 14-day moving average hook toward that 200, you were looking at a good buy, my friends. You're looking at a decent freaking buy. Yeah, it's one of my favorites too. Definitely. Kid, what's your next tattoo, man? I saw somebody grilling Ernesto about getting a tattoo. What's that all about? Look at that push, bro. That is beautiful, man. I would be so freaking happy if we wake up and we see Bitcoin back in mid 40s, because that would signify we finally broke this, dude. And it's looking damn good right now, guys. It's looking really good. XRT Hemi says, I used the opportunity to switch to Webull, try it out for a while. Yeah, man, it just takes a couple days. I hope you you did it over the weekend or pretty soon, because it takes a couple of days to get everything set up with crypto trading, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, dude. Another green candle right here would be lovely, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. We'll see what she does, though. See what she freaking does. Let me check it, what y'all are sending me. Yeah, so I got that document. I'm definitely going to read it. As soon as I get off, I'm going to check into that. Tiger's trying to start a Doge funded GoFundMe account for me to get a Takashi 69 tat for some reason. Interesting, brother. Interesting. Look at that 2 minute, man. Looking bullish, dude. Looking freaking bullish, man. We wanted that break, dude. We wanted that freaking break. We would have probably continued to bleed if we would have just kept pushing down to see if we would have touched that line. But actually you can't see it. I gotta go back to the 5 minute where they actually touch. But dude, we got that break, man. And I'm very happy with it. Very freaking happy with it. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm only gonna keep the stream to about an hour, man. And we're getting about to that point. This weekend I'll be streaming for a little bit longer when I have more time. Work's been kind of a lot lately with the streaming. But I appreciate everybody tuning in, guys. I think we're gonna have a great day tomorrow. Already up on the day 2%, so we'll see how it holds up and see if we can get this break, man. We really need it right now, and Bitcoin above 39, so it's looking promising. Hopefully you won't wake up to 29,000 Bitcoin in the morning. I don't think so anymore. Seeing this break, I think we'll hold this and continue to start a new trend and move backwards in the right direction, so everybody's portfolios are looking green again, guys. But thanks for tuning in. I know most of y'all are new. I know most of y'all are already part of the channel, but if you're not, hit the sub button, hit the like button for me. It greatly helps support the channel. And one question real quick. If it can dip through China. Yeah, China's awake right now, Daniel. So we'll see what they got planned. And if we can get some movement going over there when the U.S. opens up tomorrow, starts waking up, dude, we're going to see some pretty nice movement heading into crypto. So that's what I'm fully expecting. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and hop off. I'll be in the Discord for a little bit. If y'all need me, just hit me up in there. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.